Asking for transparency, really specifically about the multi-year rate plan. We know that plan is the reason that we've been seeing some increases in BGE bills in recent months. We also know that folks like City Council President Zeke Cohen have spoken out against that plan, urging the Public Service Commission, who oversees BGE, to stop it.
He shouldn't know it if we don't know it. That should be public information.
Mount Washington resident Desmond Stinney talking about this letter that Baltimore City Council President Zeke Cohen sent earlier this week to the Maryland Public Service Commission, or PSC, who oversees BGE and originally granted the BGE rate increase plan. Cohen says BGE's owner, Exelon, held an earnings call last week, during which the Exelon CEO, Calvin Butler, implied he knows when the PSC will make a decision on the BGE's multi-year rate plan, something Cohen finds concerning, as does Stinney.
That information should be available to the public as well as, Exelon.
Cohen was not available for an interview, but posted to social media saying, quote, "Last week, BGE's parent company told their investors they expect a decision in an important case before the PSC about multi-year rate hikes by the end of June. That information isn't public. I'm calling on the PSC to either correct the record or investigate how BGE's parent company got a hold of this information." We reached out to BGE, which gave us this statement, quote, "BGE is not privy to any non-public information. We can only anticipate when we may hear from the PSC, as was stated during Exelon's earnings call," end quote. And the PSC also commenting on Cohen's letter, saying this was pure guesswork on the CEO of BGE's parent company's part and not based on information received from anyone at the PSC. The commission has not established a definitive timeline for a decision in this case. If any further proceedings are scheduled or an order issued, it will be public and transparent.
As a resident, it's very frustrating to find out that there's these communications between our regulator, our watchdog that's supposed to be looking out for us, and the potential for conversations that are occurring with a regulated entity. And just to reiterate, the Public Service Commission once again telling us tonight they have not established a timeline for a decision when it comes to the multi-year rate plan, meaning BGE's multi-year rate plan. Live tonight outside of City Hall, I'm Tori Yorkie, WBAL TV 11 News.